My beloved child, listen closely to me. Strength is not the power you force out of your own will. It is the steady courage that flows when you allow my presence to fill the places where you feel empty. You think strength is about never breaking, but true strength is found in the moments when you come to me with trembling hands and a weary spirit, because you trust that I will lift you when you can no longer lift yourself. There are days when the weight of life feels unbearable, when challenges stack upon each other, when people expect you to carry more than your heart can hold, when you look at your responsibilities and whisper, "Lord, I don't know if I can do this." And child, I want you to know this: every time you feel weak, I am not disappointed. I am near. Your weakness does not push me away, it pulls me toward you. You were never meant to fight every battle alone. You were never asked to be strong by yourself. I did not design you to survive on human strength. I designed you to thrive on divine strength. That is why, when your endurance ends, mine begins. When your courage fades, mine rises. When your voice shakes, mine speaks for you. When your steps falter, I steady your path. Strength is not loud. It does not always roar. Sometimes strength is the quiet decision to rise again after falling. Sometimes it is the gentle whisper, "I will try one more time." Sometimes it is the tears you wipe away before stepping into a new day. I see all of it, and none of it goes unnoticed. I know the battles you fight that no one else sees. I know the storms you hide behind your smile. I know the nights when sleep escapes you and tears stain your pillow. I know the questions that haunt your mind and the fears you never speak aloud. And I want you to hear me clearly: you are not fighting alone. I am fighting beside you. I am fighting for you. When life presses you to the edge, remember that it is not the end. It is the place where my strength begins to carry you. When you feel like giving up, pause and breathe me in. My spirit lives within you. My power lives within you. My endurance flows through you. You may feel fragile, but in my hands, you are unbreakable. Think of the mountains you have already climbed, the things you thought would destroy you, yet here you are, still standing. Not because you were strong, but because I held you together when you fell apart. And I will continue to hold you, even in moments when you feel like you are slipping. So do not fear the journey ahead. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear the size of your battles. For every battle you face, I have already prepared the victory. For every hardship you carry, I have already prepared the breakthrough. For every weakness you feel, I have already poured new strength into your spirit. Lean on me. Trust me. Let my strength become the foundation of your steps, the fire in your courage, the calm in your storms. You are stronger than you think, because I am with you. And as long as I am with you, child, you will never walk a single step alone.